Here he is, ladies and gentlemen, the makeup artist who works his magic on fashion weeks from London to New York, the one and only Christian Kirklikar, who's about to show you his makeup tricks. Christian loves flawless skin. That's why all the tapping, all the little strokes over the face. Same with the concealer. Applying a thin layer. This is actually a thin layer because the product is very sheer. Tapping it, tap, 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 tap. Oh my god, the amount of tapping you will see in this video, highlighting the forehead, the nose, around her nose, and on the chin as well, because this will bring her face forward. It will give it a glow. You don't need to contour all the time. You can highlight as well. Because Anya, his model, has dry eyelids, which makes them red, he neutralized them with a thin coverage of Touche Éclat's green color corrector, setting it up with a loose powder that has Empire Light in it, so it glows as well. And now contouring with a bronzer actually, because it's not a straight line, it was more blended. Now going over with blush on the apples of the cheeks. This will make her face rounder, softer. The whole idea that he had was to make this soft makeup look. He also loved my Dior eyeshadow palette, going over with a fluffy brush. Everything's about fluffy brush and tapping small little strokes over the eyelid, just up to the eye socket. Go check this makeup tutorial in depth on our website with thorough explanation. Now Cocoa Blend, one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, with warm color in the socket, making that see. This is actually a technique for deep set eyes, whereas Anya has prominent eyes, slightly prominent, just on the, border with deep set eyes. And he blended it then with a clean brush. Now this, even though it looks a simple eyeshadow technique, applying an eyeliner in a thin layer and then blending it with a brush is actually really hard, because you can easily make the line too thick and it turns into smoky eyes. So be careful when doing this. Went over the eyebrows with Shimura's eyebrow pencil, which is my favorite, and I guess his as well now that he tried it. Filling them in and going all over the lips with a natural Kryolan's lip pencil, just filling them in to give them a bit of definition and to match her complexion. Paradise Ecstatic, quite a thick mascara that he didn't wiggle left and right, and he used a disposal brush, or how you call this, wand, so that it didn't get clumpy. And now combing it with eyelashes comb. This just made the eyelashes totally natural. It took us some time actually to do these eyelashes. Here's what he did. Loved his work. I love his work actually, because he is a fantastic makeup artist, and we'll host him on our channel again. Give Christian a round of applause. Go check this makeup tutorial on our website with products and everything, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao, ciao.